Honey, you're back. Honey, what of your suitcase?
Don't worry, leave it. I'm still going out. I just want to take breakfast.
Emily! Hold on! Come here, Isa. If I slap you, what? Follow me.
Nah, this woman self, It's my madam self. You know, can't know your name. So if I call you on channel, look me finish. You want to like me? Just in the chairman, they call me. You know if you call me order, Me him when the one. That time why I sleep like what's on. Break it down, don't you go out? Person don't gather finish. When they call me,
What take this money? Go down there. Get rice and beans from that mama puts. Add one meat for your guy. You want to follow my 200 naira chain? You had me, are you deaf? I said one meat.
Hey, come back here. Yeah? Why? That she should go and get mama put for me from down the road. I thought I gave you money to prepare yam porridge for me this morning. Mom! I gave you money to prepare yam porridge for me this morning. Not eventually.
Fred, as you can see, I have a meeting to catch up with Sinach. I'm going out.
Cello, you have a meeting to catch up with Sinach.
Mom.
So your meeting with Sinach is more important than what your husband will eat this morning. Eh? I'm a joking.
Fred, ask me na koro wigi. Can you try to me here? See me here na koro wigi.
Yeah, say, come on. Out. Get it, come back here. Hey, not you, get out. Can't change 2 minutes. Can you lift our table up? You say, so what the law? What is it now? If I touch you, remove my hand. You're pushing me away. What did I do?
Yes, because this is not the reason why I came to this house. You heard me.
What other reason? Why? I want a husband and wife. I want to be with you. I want to know you. I don't know you yet. We're married.
You've been married. Well, my duty is for me to cook for you, sweep for you, and wash your clothes. I'll be right with Abra. I'm not going to call the Lacoca. Fred, you go to that bedroom, Ije go and masturbate. You heard me.
You say?
I said you should go and masturbate.
Nature go dillo. Cello. Que you mean, Pan? I'm your husband, for goodness sake. Eh? We've been married for a while now. If I touch you, you will not agree. What do you want me to do?
Go and masturbate. Jebo ncha, we lunch ki jebo.
How can I go and masturbate when my wife is around?
Is it an identity that you must touch me? It is not. And besides, I don't want anybody that would cage me for 2 years.
Caging what?
One.
To get pregnant and take care of your child is caging for 2 years.
You had me right.
Other women do it now. Eh? I don't understand. Because
I say you should go and masturbate. Go and masturbate and leave me alone. Jeboncha, Fred! Jeboncha! Asengi Jeboncha. Hapumaka! Leave me alone. Fred!
Come on, Salam.
Fred, asengi Jeboncha. Hapumaka! It's a lot.
No, now wait. Because
Fred, leave me alone. Oh? I don't want to do this, not by force. It is not by force.
This is the same thing you say all the time. Now you say this in all the time because
I said I don't want to do. I said I don't want to do. Fred! I will shout though. Rapist!
Shout.
Rapist!
Shout.
Fred, leave me alone.
Shout.
Fred, Rapumaka! Rapumaka! Enter me, man. Rapumaka! No, I prepared a very lovely dish for you. Hey, Nna. Asukwana nwoke na-eli nne n'ụlọ. No bie na dịkwa n'ụlọ.
Let me hear you, my friend. Let me hear myself. What do you mean? A man that eats at home, his mind is at home. Only food. What about children? Eh? What about children? Look, a man that rushes back home is a man that knows that when he gets home, there's a child or children waiting to welcome him at home. His children will be out there. Or even a child will be out there. Daddy Anata, oh yo, Papa Anata. The man will always rush back home.
But up here, bound. Are you trying to insult me or what?
Insult again?
They said that marriage is not only meant for production.
Hey!
Yes!
Hey!
Yes!
Look at you. Then what is marriage without children? What is keriyebu anumdi na nwunye na nwa adiro? E were ge nwa. Kedu nwoke nwa ni me no.
Akwefo ye.
Gini men?
Akwefo ga bu na buru ofi ye.
What would you have done?
No problem.
You have done your worst already.
No problem. I can see you don't eat this food,
yes.
right? Let me go and eat it so that
go and eat and be growing fat. Go and eat and be growing fat. Je lekilebu nike na ala ina adika ndi bonu. Ina elini. Neka mut okwa makofi here. Okay for this for better for worse ah. How change queer. How change queer. For better for worse my foot. I've had it up to this place. Can you follow? Hey! Fred Oswage, Fred.
the things you do, I want to know. Even your smile, the thing they meant to know be more. When I wake the things I want to see is you. I don't feel just you, baby. I know this could be you. Baby, take my salary. Give you that la I don't do the inquiry. Baby, movie no marry me. Baby, take my salary. Give you that la I don't do the inquiry. Baby, movie.
Who is that witch that is calling?
Me love with this, my personal sexy. Oh, bande.
What's this noise all about? You want to wake the whole neighborhood up? Eh? Also, here the malagi. What else? Look at you. Eh? At your age, this is what you do, like a child on the street.
You are a witch. You are a wizard.
I'm not letting why you here. The kind of slap I'll slap you now.
Mommy. Mommy! Mommy.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you.
Forget. Idiot.
See you.
I see you with the
Look at you.
I see you make here. In a chair, Mamola. Make him mommy. Mommy.
Oh, if you ask me to bring money, I don't bring money.
Do you bring money?
Oh, the one I give you is not enough. That's what I'm saying.
You give me chicken change.
Chicken change, working there. How many does our parents have? When I can did well.
I know my parents don't have, but I have what it takes to get what I want. Oh, what does he mean? Konkana, nego do. Probably the catch on the wine. Whenever I go to the street, they will be following me up and down. And they will be flashing with money.
Is there another one in the house? No, don't annoy me.
Or else what? Mamola! Fred, Mamola! Chezio! I can't shake you. I see you, Mamola, Fred. No, you need to make a wine. Ataranga.
I dey talking with my clear eyes, no behind it.
Yeah.
Make me show them little things they want to see.
I can't wait for now. What do I mean? Alright.
Afternoon, I take you places you've not been before. Then in the evening, I take you places we gon' do the my salary.
Knock. Get man, na me. And be the mother of the owner of this house. One when you know. You shall for you man.
No, yata.
Yeah, baby. I want you to lose get man. Hey. Are you the get man?
If you know, I want to go to turn now. No, eh? One I better go there, but you know, do much.
Your mate's supposed to be in suitcase.
Hey. Man, this is the job of a man. This job is not for a woman. Eh? Talk more of a small girl like you.
Hi.
Even nugget. Even nuggets now.
Born in lumps.
Eh?
Yeah, on a lump.
If you let me cheap, you know, school double even. Now look at man. Look at you.
Hi. Oh, let's oh, you hold me. A homo, one chocolate. But I like you. Well, to see.
Ah?
No, it's not fun. Go. Go, pass. Na baba. No, bro, no, give no your town. No, your town. I am a penny. If not, don't worry. Nah.
Honestly,
Don't worry. Battery man about it. Go about it from 100 to 50. So bad draw.
Hey. What film can I be like?
Is that not mama's voice?
Look at you, my daughter. You're looking good. You back in the knock on over. Oh, man, I met a paying my people. Hey,
Mama, I've missed you.
Mama, you're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you, my in-law. Hey, you're looking fine. I'm not carrying you because you're getting cool in there.
So, what was that noise all about?
No.
It's Odo, this is my mother-in-law. Don't try any nonsense again.
Oh,
yeah.
Hey, Ogom.
Because
na-esi Igbo ka ọ na mkpuli.
Mkpụrụ mmiri ka ọ na-aṅụ.
Echikwe m na nwoke na-alụ getman. Nwaanyị a na-emekwu.
Biko bịa bata. Take inside.
Come on, shape it for so. Ewu mbemme. Adamu.
My son, that is exactly what brought me here. I have decided to come and take you both to Nwaanyị Mgbọrọgwụ because I know what God has been using her to do in a situation like this. Yes, I know you must have visited so many places, prayer houses, hospitals, and native doctors because of this situation. But there is no result. Mama,
you will not understand.
Why won't I? Am I not a woman? I know the implication of not giving birth in a husband's house for 2 years. Let alone 4. Ari no Zulu okay. Hey. I know what my daughter is passing through from her in-laws, more especially your mother. But you should not blame her. If I am in her shoes, I will behave the same way she is behaving. Please, I want you to follow me to this place. I know that God must give you a child through her.
Mama, you're going too far. Honestly. Can't you go better? Though I wanted to come and see you all this while. Thank God you are here now.
Yes, I'm here. Tell me, my son.
Mama, it is not that we are impotent.
You see your life? Asili woke. So give woke food go na gbasa osasila asili. Make we cha.
Jesus, I'm meche gonu. Allow your husband to talk. You don't talk when a man is talking. Give him the respect.
Mama, I want you to help me ask your daughter why she has refused me from touching her.
Huh?
For the past 4 years, I have not performed my conjugal rights. If I want to touch your daughter, she will form one problem. We'll start fighting. Or she will just face the wall and back me. At times she will cry and tell me, yeah, marriage is not for having children.
Is it true? If marriage is not for making children, what else is marriage for? Chizoba, ibudo wanje, kinwe di mili, onwe nwoke na-abịakwute gị na nlọ, aga eme ihe. Mbo, nwoke na-edine gị na nlọ. Ukwe ka walete si eme.
Mama, you have started again. Hey, you have started again. Iya agwa m ma na anọ n'ọnụ ofu onye eke ikpe.
Ọ nne gị ka mbụ. Yes, I know your husband is saying the truth. Okay, ịgbachi nkịtị. Ịgbazi ọnụ godom ikwu oziokwu. Chizoba gwakwa m eziokwu. Biko, iwu ọgbanje ka onwe nwoke na-abịakwute gị na nlọ. Gwa m eziokwu.
Mama, mbụla ọgbanje, ịma na ibu nne ọgbanje.
Mụ nwanne ọgbanje.
Gbam.
Chizoba mechi neteke n'ọnụ gị na ọnụ gị erike. Ofu mkpọchi apịachabuo m gị ọnụ gị, mpịachafu ọrụ gị. Ọnụ ya na-agba godom. Ogom.
Mama, you know how much I love your family.
Yes.
That is why when my family objected to our marriage, I insisted on marrying your daughter. Oria.
I know, it's true. It's true.
Mama, because the more you can talk to her, talk to her. If she listen, she doesn't want to listen. Oh, now I'm going to bed.
So why just go in and sleep. Even when we're in the land, now we see only one year for my. You know what? Come, I'll talk to her. She is my daughter. You go.
What else will you do? Rather than going to marry another woman?
Mama, if you catch it for me.
Nah, because catch it for you. Hey, who's your check you?
If I want to. If I want me 2 years or where?
Just over me, John.
Mama, you go happen. If I want for 2 years or where? Come on, no, they could you walk where? Oh, you're a man.
Just over me, no. Just over my mama go puggy. Oboni na nwakam. Inezo ọkpọkpọ Chizoba. Jikineli enwayo. Oni yaraza amụ nwa. Chizoba yaza amụ nwa. Eche ịmụ nwaanyị aga. Abụ nwaanyị aga kwa mmụ ya nwụ. Ọkwa mmụ gị amụ Chizoba. Iyara amụ nwa nke gị. Oni yara ekunye m nwa ka nkukene nwa n'ọkpa ma. Ka nwa nwa marụ. Ka nwa marụ. Ka onye enini Chizoba. Mala mama malo onwe gị.
Mama hapu.
Chizoba singi mo wanja na eri sobu.
Mama hapu.
Chizoba. Obu na wanja na eri sobu. Tell me, gba mo bu nne gi, ama me be na kpo nche. Ka cho gi mojo.
O ye bu so eri sobu, nche gi sobu ni mu. Inechelu manya negodu nwa. Inechelu manya chaka Fred gbatu home for 2 years. Ka no lu no make yelu nwa. Negodu achalu ugo nwa. Ochiora nwaanyị. Nwaanyị amalo nwa. Figure 8 ụmụ nwa. Ichoka Fred gbatu home. Negodu flat stomach. Negodu ukwu na ala. Mama. Oya kwa work. It's not possible. It's not possible. Mama,
you must follow me to that place.
I will not follow you. I will never follow you.
So
Mama, I'm afraid I forgot not to get the lala. Go and sleep. I forget the lala.
Hey.